Hi to my supporters from Mississology. Thank you so much for always being there to defend me every day. I know it's a lot of hard work, but I appreciate it. I've been working hard, training every day, doing my homework and training, studying, practicing, doing everything that I can every day, little by little, preparing for the pageant for Miss Universe, even though we don't know exactly when or where it's gonna be yet. But ngayon pa lang, nagpapasalamat na ako sa suporta niyo. Maraming salamat. Malaking birthday gift na to para sa akin, especially with the way things have been for the past couple of months, that since I won up to now, nandun pa rin kayo to support me, and slowly I've been able to prove, I think that I've been able to prove my bashers wrong, or otherwise, to prove them otherwise, that I am ready for this pageant. And again, thank you so much for defending me all the time. I really appreciate it. I used to enjoy reading Mississology, but now I just focus on training every day. So again, thank you so much, and my birthday wish is to win Miss Universe, to make every Filipino proud. If I win Miss Universe, I just want everybody to be proud, and you know what? I'm gonna wear Filipino designers all the way if I win Miss Universe. And kung ano man yung mangyari, I just want to represent the Philippines in the 100% best that I can, and yun lang, maging proud lang talaga, and represent ko yung talagang tunay na definition ng Pilipina, which is matapang sa kalaban. Yun lang talaga. So thank you again, guys. Medyo mama na yung video. Supporting me and praying for me and my journey towards the Miss Universe crown.